If you want to turn on the comments for your YouTube videos, so first thing you need to do is minimize this and go to app library and find the YouTube. Just long press the YouTube and click delete app and click delete. After you deleted the app, again go to App Store and type YouTube and just install the YouTube app and sign into your YouTube account. Then hopefully you can see. In case if it doesn't work, open the YouTube app again and just click here and make sure you signed in to the YouTube account, Google account. Then only if you signed in to the YouTube account, then only you can see the comments option, or you can make the command or like that stuff. If it doesn't work, in case if you turn down the incognito mode, you won't see, you won't make the command. So just click your incognito profile and turn off the incognito mode. If still it doesn't work, maybe you turn down restriction mode on your YouTube channel. So you need to turn off the restriction mode. To do that, click your profile and click these settings, and here you can see restriction mode. If this option were turned on, you need to turn off this immediately, then only you can see the command. Yeah, these are the best ways to enable your command again. Hopefully it works. In case if you looking for how to turn on the commands for particular videos or your YouTube videos, all your YouTube videos or particular videos, you need to watch this video.